Welcome to Beautyistic, where we keep it real with honest beauty insights. Let's talk about a product that's all about giving you that radiant glow, the Pacifica Vitamin C Face Lotion Glow Baby VitaGlow. Now, if you're on the hunt for a moisturizer that brightens, evens your skin tone, and delivers a gorgeous, natural glow, this might just be the one. This face lotion features Pacifica's powerful Bright Firm Complex, a blend that includes multiple forms of vitamin C like ascorbic acid and Kakadu plum, one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C out there. This combination is designed to tackle those pesky dark spots, improve uneven skin tone, and boost overall radiance. And as you might already know, vitamin C is a dermatologist favorite, known for stimulating collagen and defending against environmental stressors. So this product is doing more than just moisturizing. The formula also packs a punch with antioxidants like vitamin E and plant extracts from vanilla, orange, and tangerine. These ingredients work together to neutralize environmental damage, such as pollution and UV exposure. So, while it brightens your complexion, it also helps protect your skin from the aging effects of free radicals. Some users have even reported that with regular use, their fine lines became less noticeable and their skin texture was smoother, thanks to the power of vitamin C and E together. Now let's talk about how it actually feels. This lotion has a lightweight texture that sinks into your skin quickly, leaving it soft and hydrated without feeling greasy. It's perfect for all skin types, even sensitive skin. Aloe vera, sunflower oil, and hyaluronic acid provide the hydration while keeping the formula gentle enough to layer under makeup or sunscreen. There's a lovely citrus vanilla scent, but don't worry, it's from natural extracts, so no artificial fragrances here. In terms of performance, I've been using it daily, and I've noticed a definite improvement in the brightness of my skin. Over time, those sunspots and acne marks I had are fading. Plus, it's definitely helped even out my complexion, leaving my skin with a natural lit-from-within glow. It feels like my skin is hydrated and fresh all day long. However, like with any product, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. The vitamin C in this lotion can be a bit tricky for some, especially for people who are sensitive to high-potency actives. Thankfully, Pacifica has used stabilized, buffered forms of vitamin C, so there's no irritation or stinging, even on my more sensitive areas. Still, if you have super sensitive skin, it's always worth patch testing first. When it comes to value for money, this moisturizer is priced at a mid-range level. Given its clean, vegan, and cruelty-free formulation, plus the addition of quality ingredients like vitamin C, vitamin E, and the plant extracts, it's definitely worth the price. The results I've seen in terms of brightening and improving skin texture make it a solid investment if you're looking for a gentle, effective product to boost your glow. Now, if you're looking for alternatives, there are definitely other vitamin C moisturizers on the market. However, I'd say Pacifica stands out with its clean formulation and the added benefits of antioxidants like vitamin E and the absence of harsh chemicals. Other options like CeraVe or La Roche-Posay do offer similar hydration and brightening effects, but they may not be as focused on clean, natural ingredients. So, final thoughts. The Pacifica Vitamin C Face Lotion Glow Baby VitaGlow is a solid choice for anyone looking to brighten, even their skin tone, and protect against environmental stressors, all while keeping things clean and vegan. The lightweight hydration is perfect for all skin types, and it layers beautifully under makeup or SPF. If you're after that radiant, dewy glow, this could be just what you need. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear about your experience. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out,